Hello everyone, myself Swati. I am studying BCA from Interface College of Computer Application. My topic is computer memory and its types. Computer memory means a memory is just like a brain of computer. It is used to store a data and instruction. The address of location varies from 0 to 65535. The memory is divided into large number of small parts called cells. Each locations are a cells of unique address which varies of zeros to memory size units minutes once. For example, if the computer has 64K words, then this memory unit is 64 into 1024. 64 into 1024 equals 65536. It will come. It is the memory locations of computer memory. Types of memory of computer: cache memory, primary memory, secondary memory. Now I will explain cache memory. Cache memory is very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up a CPU. It acts as a buffer of CPU between a main memory. It means cache memory is between a CPU and main memory. It is used to reduce the average access time reading data which normally stored the main memory. Now the advantages of cache memories are as follows. Cache memory is faster than main memory. Consumes less access time as compared to main memory. It means it takes less time compared to main memory. It stores the data as temporary use. The disadvantage of cache memory are cache memory has limited capacity. It is very expensive. Now, primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It has limited capacity and lost when power is switched off. It is generally made up of semiconductor device. It means when we switch off the computer, or when power will be off, the limited capacity and data will be lost. It is also generally made up of semiconductor memory. It is divided into subcategories: RAM and ROM. Characteristics of main memory: these are semiconductor memories. Data is lost in case of power is switched off. A computer cannot run without a primary memory. Now I'll explain the RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory. It is a part of computer main memories which is directly accessible by CPU. It means RAM RAM is expanded like random access memory. It is a part of the main memory. Main memory means primary memory. It is the part of main memory which is directly accessible by CPU. RAM is used to read and write data into it which accessible by CPU randomly. RAM is volatile in nature. It means if the power goes off, its stored information will be lost. The CPU needs to store the result of the calculation. It can store them in a RAM. When CPU runs a program, it fits the program instruction from the RAM and carries them out. The types of RAM are SRAM and DRAM. SRAM means static RAM, static random access memory. DRAM means dynamic random access memory. Now, ROM. ROM stands for read only memory, the memory from which we can read only but cannot write. This type of memory is non-volatile memory. The information is stored permanently in such memories during manufacture. The ROM stores a such instruction that are required to store a computer. This operation is referred to as a bootstrap. ROMs ROM chips are not only used in the computer but also in the electronic items like washing machine and mm, micro oven. When we switch off the computer, the contents of ROM are not be erased but remain stored permanently. ROM is a non-volatile memory. ROM stores a ROM stores a sorry critical programs such as the programs that are boot the computer. Types of ROM. The types of ROM are EPROM, yeah, PROM, EPROM, double EPROM. PROM means programmable read-only memory. Programmable read-only memory means it is a memory which data can be written only once. A variance of a PROM chips is not a burnt in the manufacture time. Now, next EPROM, erasable and programmable read-only memory. It means the information is erased and reprogrammed using a special PROM, programmable read-only memory using, and EPROM differs from PROM in that PROM can be written only once, cannot be erased. Now, double EPROM, electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. It means this is equivalent of EPROM but does not require a lights to erase its content. It cannot be. It can be erased by exposing it to electrical and large. Now, secondary memory. We need to store a large amount of data and program permanently. We need to we need a cheaper and permanent memory. Such memory is called primary memory. Secondary memory are devices to store a large amount of data, audio, video, and multimedia files. Um, Secondary memory is a return a information once stored on it. The magnetic memory such as hard disk, drive, component disk, pen drive, memory cards is the most commonly used in secondary memory in the computer. The secondary memory is used as an auxiliary memory. The secondary memory is used for bulk storage or mass storage of the programs and data and other instructions. Since, since the storage capacity of primary memory is not very large, it cannot be hold a large amount of data, including programs which may be needed for processing. Characteristics of secondary memories are: it is a non-volatile. Example, it returns a data when power is switch off the computer. It is a large capacity in the turn of terabytes. It is a cheaper as compared to primary memory. Depending on whether secondary memory device is the part of CPU or not, there are two types in secondary memory: fixed and removable. Example, pen drive and hard disk. Sorry. Thank you.